Hi guys, today I want to go over some shortcuts for zooming. Might have already mentioned one or two in a previous video, but I just wanted to touch bases just like in the last video with those few keyboard shortcuts. What can you do? So once you have a surface and you are in 3D view, when you scroll your mouse wheel, right, it's zoom in and zoom out. That's pretty standard across the Windows platform. When you press and hold mouse button, you are able to rotate over the point, like the rotation point. So wherever you click, that's your rotation point. When you want to move, when you want to move left or right, you press right. Your right mouse button and you can basically move around the surface. Now additionally to that, if you press and hold Control and you scroll your mouse up and down, mouse wheel up and down, if you hold Shift, it's gonna rotate around that point. If I click in the middle, I'm rotating around the middle when I'm scrolling the mouse wheel. When I'm at the side here, it will. Alternatively, you can actually define your point of rotation by pressing Alt and left clicking. So now this is your point of rotation. So when you press Shift, it's gonna rotate around that point no matter where you are. If you press Control, it's gonna flip it vertically around that point which you defined. To get rid of this point, is just press and hold Alt and click somewhere into empty space, and that would undo that. Also here at the bottom here you have the vertical exaggeration. What that means is basically this is vertical exaggeration 1, so not necessarily you can see the vertical transition. If you have really flat design and you want to see those curves and you want to see everything, you can press and hold I believe it's Shift and Control, and your vertical exaggeration is going up. And as you can see, so your horizontal stayed the same scale, but vertical scale is now by times 28. If you want to go down, you know, this way you can see your transitions nicely, right? And then you can go back down to 0. What else we have here? That's it pretty much for the quick shortcut. So don't forget the Shift, Control and Alt, press and hold mouse wheel, and it should speed up some rotation and animation for you. Obviously you can do that all under the home tab, and right next to your view filter manager you have this pan and all these options of zooming and everything here, but with the shortcut it's way faster. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.